This fall marks the anticipated conclusion of Kelly Clarkson's lawsuit against her former father-in-law, Narvel Blackstock. The nearly 3-year legal ordeal involving Kelly Clarkson and her ex-father-in-law Narvel Blackstock's entertainment company will soon be over. The singer of Miss Independent, 41, was sued by Blackstock, 66, and Starstruck Management Group in September 2020 for unpaid commissions and breach of contract. She countersued 2 months later. On Tuesday, June 20th, the California Labor Commissioner's office exclusively confirmed to Us Weekly that the hearing is still ongoing. They did state, however, that post-hearing briefs are due June 27th and a decision will be issued in the fall. The post-hearing brief is the final opportunity for both sides in a lawsuit to present their arguments in light of the evidence presented during earlier hearings. Legal troubles between the former family members started soon after Clarkson, who had been married to Brandon Blackstock for almost 7 years, filed for divorce in June 2020. Starstruck, the agency that handled Clarkson from 2007 to 2020, filed a lawsuit against her in September, alleging that she owed them $1.4 million in unpaid commission for her work on The Voice and her talk program, The Kelly Clarkson Program. The lawsuit also claimed that the Texas native, who has a son named Remington, 7, and a daughter named River, 9, with Brandon, broke a verbal agreement she had with the corporation 13 years earlier, and that she will be in debt to the company by the end of 2020 by at least $5.4 million. In November 2020, Clarkson brought her own counterclaim against Starstruck Management Group. The Since You've Been Gone singer alleged that the company violated the California Labor Code by procuring, offering, promising, or attempting to procure employment or engagements, all without being duly licensed, according to court documents obtained by People at the time. In addition, she claimed in her countersuit that Starstruck had broken the Talent Agencies Act by failing to comply with certain licensing requirements, and she demanded that all prior agreements, including the one they had verbally signed 13 years prior, be declared void and unenforceable. Brian Friedman, the firm's lawyer, however, noted to People in November 2020 that Clarkson's countersuit conveniently ignores the fact that Kelly had her own licensed talent agency at all times.